Hi guys, 22nd of April now, 2019, Easter Monday, and thought I'd just give you a very quick update. I haven't done a great deal, well it doesn't look like I've done a great deal of late, but actually what I have done, this is the bonnet panel you would have seen last episode. It's all primed up in high build primer, I should say, and that's ready to be hung up and put away with everything else. I think that was the one I showed you that was covered in body filler. Could be wrong, but it might be the other one. And obviously this is the other one. So all nice and dead straight. And yeah, very happy with the results of that one. So once again, they'll be hung up as well. What I've also done is the two side panels for the bonnet. Those louvers thankfully were nice and straight and in very, very good condition. Still had a little bit of work, but not much at all. So thankfully that wasn't too bad a problem. And same with this other one here. That very first one there had a crack down through there, so Jim welded that up for me. Did a fantastic job. You can't see anything there at all. Apparently I've also heard that it's a inherent problem with the louvers. They do crack from time to time. But as you can see, all nice, dead straight, covered in high build primer, ready to be sanded later on and put some colour on it. And I've also done this bevel carrier. So I've done that over the last 2 weeks. I feel like I don't have a great deal to show, but it's all very time consuming working on that. Now, last episode, I did ask for a poll on whether I should, sorry I'm just shaking, it's been one of the lawns, whether I should actually rebuild the engine or just start it as it is. And I don't really have any conclusive answers. I've had arguments on both sides and I still don't know which way to go. I most likely will just strip it down, check everything, check the tolerances, replace the gaskets, and go from there. I think that's possibly the safest way to go. Yes, it's going to be more time consuming. It's going to take a bit of extra cash to replace the gaskets and that, but it was just a bit of peace of mind, I think, just to make sure everything is right and it's not going to fail on me or leave a big pool of oil wherever I go. So I think that's which way I'll go. Okay, that's all for now. I'll most likely be working on the guards next. I just started a little bit on the front guard, but I think I'll do the back guards first. Just the fact that those front guards are scaring me. So there's a bit of work that needs to be done to them, and I'm not a panel beater or anything like that. Just an office worker. So I think and those back guards are in pretty good shape, so I think I'll work on those first, just to get a bit more confidence with my ability. Okay, until next time, see you later.